Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you love music, you know how important it is to stay connected with your favorite artist. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add and follow your favorite artist on Spotify so you never miss their new releases. So let's get started. First of all, find the Spotify app on your home screen. Now open it. Once you are in the Spotify app, find the artist you want to follow. You can either scroll down or search it on the search bar. Now search for the artist that you want to follow and then tap onto the profile of the artist and simply tap on to follow. Now you are following the artist. It has been automatically added to your library. Now simply go to your library. Now tap onto the artist profile. Now you can see the music of the artist. Simply tap onto three dot lines. Here you can find the option of add to playlist. Simply select it. Now you can finally add the playlist to your favorites. After choosing your favorite, simply tap on to done. And that's it. Now you know how to easily add and follow your favorite artists on Spotify. It's a simple way to make sure you never miss their new releases or exciting updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.